play with my favorite garden bird. Oh no, I drew my board. What should I do? If I could have it again, I would give anything for it.
Princess, this is your bird.
My garden bird, give me my board.
Let us live at the palace and be your friend.
Then we will give this back to you.
Okay, I will, I promise.
Here you go.
You ugly bird can never be my friend.
Wait, you made a promise.
These frogs want to meet the princess. My dear daughter, tell us what's happening. They fetched my garden bird out of the pond yesterday. If you make a promise, you must keep your promise. Go and open the door for them.
We are very hungry.
Your Highness, do you some bugs or worms?
Frog and bug and worm.
Yuck, I can eat with you. We only have 2 flies here.
How come there are only 2 flies?
Sunday, I am not hungry. You to eat them. I'm okay. You to eat.
Let's share them.
Ha ha ha.
These frogs know how to share. Yes, they are still friends. Whatever, I don't care.
Let's play together.
Princess, let's play with your golden bird.
No, it's my favorite toy.
Friends should know how to share.
Alright. I will drop the ball into the deep pond.
Oh dear.
Princess, how come you dropped the bird into the pond again?
Who will go into the pond and get it?
I will. Let's all go together.
Please don't ever come back. Are the frogs gone? I think so. That I hoped that they would go away, but I'm not happy now. I don't know why. I think I know why. Please think harder. I don't know. You're back.
We are sorry that it took so long.
It was really hard to find the ball.
It was dangerous and we almost died. But we are all okay.
You didn't have to do that.
You're our friend.
You're selfish, but we are our friend.
I dropped the ball to get you away from me.
We know.
Then why did you get the ball from me?
As we already told you, you are our friend.
A very selfish friend.
I am very sorry. Please forgive me. Oh my, what happened?
Thank you, Princess.
We are enchanted by a bad fairy.
Only through friendship with a human being could save us.
Now I know the true meaning of friendship.